Yeah, hi. Today we'll discuss how we can get SAP Access. So basically, there is two kind of SAP Access. One is SAP GUI based, another one is remote server based. Okay, so I'll show you. Go to the Launchpad. If you are using a Mac operating system, you will see already installed SAP GUI. Click on this. Okay, so it is a start opening your yes GUI. Okay, so see, it is already available here, so you can choose based on your requirement, right? So here we this is a Mac operating system, but you can use in your window as well. Okay, so first of all you have to install it. Once installed, you have to open it. So once installed, okay, you have to configure it. See, this based on this requirement here, so you can check my previous video for the configuration. So once configured, then you can double click on this. So now it is started. So that means you have to enter your user ID and password, and you can directly connect with the SAP server. So this is the one way of accessing the SAP server, that is geo based. Okay, now we'll go into the second types of, that is remote server. So how we can use to, okay, so we will have here a remote types of server. This is, we have a BWS for HANA demo server. Okay, so I will tell you here how we can. So if you are using a Mac operating system, then you have to go into the app here. Okay, and uh, launchpad, and then you can choose here Microsoft Remote Server Access. So this is already installed. Okay, but if you are using the window, then you have to install the remote server, okay, in your PC. So this is a Mac, so I am already installed Microsoft Remote Server Access. Just double click on this. Yes, you can see here, this is already we have it. So this is existing one. We am going to delete existing one. Now here I want to add the PC. That means that is IP address. Okay, so I am going to add here. So now you are asking the PC name. So PC name, that means that is IP address. Okay, so let's see here, and once click, and then you have to add it. So if you double click on this, see it asking the username and password. So already we have here username and password, you can enter into it. So you see, and the password is over here. So just copy the password, continue. Yes, you can see now the server is going to connect it. Yes, so successfully you can